All right, guys, it's our first night back in Mammoth. I've got a little garlic bread here, and my wonderful mother-in-law, Lori's mom. She's very thoughtful. She made this lasagna, so I stopped in Onyx and picked this up on the way up, and just got it out of the oven. It looks just delicious. So wait for Mike to get up here, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and have a piece. And puppies have already eaten, so they're in relax mode right now. And I'm gonna eat my dinner and watch some YouTube. Well, we're back in Mammoth. Sadie's doing her normal roll, her snow barrel roll. She just loves to roll around in that snow. But you can see it's a little overcast out. It's pretty chilly today. And there's definitely a system heading our way. This morning we checked, it said anywhere from 14 to 18 inches. So, you know, that very well could be at the lower end of the spectrum and even go above. If the wind kicks up and blows it right through, maybe it won't be so bad. But we're going to be keeping an eye on that. Got the guys down at the airport working. Some guys over at Snow Creek running loaders. We're just going to be getting everything kind of cleaned up as best we can before the system rolls through, and then see where we're at. Come on. Let's go. Go ahead. All right, we're gonna head over to Snow Creek. A little dark back there. It's only 30 degrees. It feels a lot colder. That wind's blowing a little bit. All right. Looks like we're doing a little chain maintenance here. Hopefully they about got that part wrapped up. Got them, looks like they got them all tightened up a little bit. About getting them tightened up.
Yeah, we got all the other ones.
Yeah, the other side looks good.
This one's giving us this. Yeah, this one always the last one, you know.
The old ratchet strap, huh? The ratchet strap technique.
It's tight. Tight.
So a couple people was commenting on Brian's karaoke. I said, he's the king of karaoke in Mammoth.
Fair enough, man.
One guy's like, I didn't know George Strait ran a loader on his day job. And then right here next to the ramp, we got a bunch of lumber here to get all this exposed. And we'll talk to Mike about the rest of these garages, but start here with this too. And then that lumber right there, which is right here where he's got the loader parked just to the right of that. Get that all exposed and uncovered. So that loader there, it's got some issues. We got the mechanic, he's coming up after this storm, so we got the guys digging it out. We're gonna dig it out, see if we can't get him back up here. Yeah, figure out what's going on with it. So we'll have another loader going around here. And yeah, I got the hand guys gonna come over, dig out some more of these foundations. We're gonna bring our Mini X over here. These guys are rolling. So I think we're We're back up and running, guys. It's been a week, been gone for about a week. But seems like everything's gonna start getting back to where we need it. All right, come on, guys. Come on. So we're breaking this all up. And the guys are coming in with the sleds, moving it off the edge of the roof down below. Now we're getting all this weight off. Don't ask how we got that up here. It was a long little journey. Yeah. We'll be through this hangar today. One day. We'll have all the weight off. Maybe leave a foot on top. This is 180 Convict. We got most of all the bulk already removed. We just got this tip right here. After lunch, we'll come back, remove the ice dams, get everything off the deck. Got quite a bit right here, but we got 2 guys on the back, 3 guys over here on the front. It's going pretty quick. Back at the village. All this weight off. It's back. All right, we need multiple supervisors on this one. Alex is getting all harnessed up, getting ready. He's heading up, make sure everyone's safely secured, make sure everyone's working safely, and making sure we're doing everything we can to get all this weight off as fast as possible. We got like 12 guys up there right now, all spread out about 10 feet apart. What do you think, Alex? We've been waiting for this all year.
Oh yeah. Badass.
Yeah, right? Every day's an adventure. Heck yeah, here we go. Second crew getting ready, getting geared up. We got the trap doors open. We got the first two crews up. We got them spread out 10 feet apart. I'm starting to get all this weight off. This is gonna be quick and easy once we get all of the guys up there. All right, we got the first guys up. Let's get away from behind there. He's gonna back up right now. Move the shovels, he doesn't run them over. We got the first crew up. Here's the first area right here, it's affected. We're gonna spread out about every 10 feet and start dropping all this. You guys ready?
Yeah, always.
Always ready. What's up, man? Ready to get this weight off with the quickness.
A lot of weight up there.
Yeah, there is. Here goes the next crew. We got one crew up. They're opening all the trap doors, making it all so we can access everything from the stairwell instead of this boom lift. But this thing makes it super fast and easy. So we're gonna utilize this for right now. We got 6 guys going up now. We got 5 more guys coming in. We'll have a 12-man crew up here in the next 20 minutes. We pretty much prepare for this every single day. Every day, harnesses, every day, proper anchoring. Every day we're pounding in the safety, making sure we're doing everything right. So when we come to a call like this, everyone's on point. We're just doing what we do every single day. Here goes the next crew. We got one crew up. They're opening all the trap doors, making it all so we can access everything from the stairwell instead of this boom lift. But this thing makes it super fast and easy. So we're gonna utilize this for right now. We got 6 guys going up now. We got 5 more guys coming in. We'll have a 12-man crew up here in the next 20 minutes. We pretty much prepare for this every single day. Every day, harnesses, every day, proper anchoring. Every day we're pounding in the safety, making sure we're doing everything right. So when we come to a call like this, everyone's on point. We're just doing what we do every single day. All right, so the weather has arrived. It's I think it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so it finally got here. Supposed to see about 1 inch to 1.5 inches an hour throughout the rest of the night. But what we're really got to do right now is we're going to go up to the village and check out. We got some emergency call out work that we're doing up there right now. We're going to go see if we can't see how those guys are handling it. Well, we got the end of March, first part of April, and the blizzard conditions have returned. All right, so you can see some of these structures still have immense amounts of snow on them. And we got a call today, emergency call out. That's why we have so many guys up here right now. And the ceilings are starting to buckle in a couple places. So we pulled everybody off the other jobs, all hands on deck. And we're gonna work at these roofs until we get them cleared and get the weight off, and hopefully that'll save a lot of structural damage in the future. So you can see what we've done here. We've got a barricade set up. It's basically a drop zone. We got both sides blocked off, so nobody can go in this area. These guys are basically dropping everything right off the top here into the drop zone. So it looks like they've got it under control. We're gonna go So Sadie and Bud got their dinner. So now you guys are gonna go get on your bed. Gotta go get on your bed. Go get on your bed.
What?
He's like, I don't want to do that. Get on your bed. Sadie's going. All right, guys, it's been about a week and we are back at the warming hut. We got Mike and Brian, been in the loader all day, so Ed and those guys are still up at the village on the roof, but we're gonna sneak in here and grab some dinner real quick. It's been a while since we've seen our guys at warming hut, so we're gonna check in and see how they've been without us.
Big old fresh hug. Yeah.
So we're one of the first customers in tonight. We got Paul's favorite on the special. I like that. I think I might do that.
Got that one. It's good.
We got our beers coming. Brian got a power drill. Me and Mike got a beer. But gonna enjoy our dinner, and I'm gonna get this video out so you guys can see what we were up to today.